Say hello to the JND USB-C to TRRS 3.5mm audio adapter, your go-to for seamless sound on the go. Whether you're rocking the latest iPhone 15 or 16, a Galaxy S24 or 25, or even a PlayStation 5, this adapter has you covered. With its advanced 32-bit 384 kHz DAC chip, it delivers studio quality audio, so every bit and note comes through crisp and clear. Plus, its TRRS design means it supports both audio and microphone functions, perfect for taking calls, gaming, or video calls without switching devices. Durability? Check this out. Its sleek aluminum shell and gold-plated connectors resist wear and tear, while the bend-resistant design has survived over 20,000 tests. Tough enough for daily grind. Just plug it in, and you're ready to roll. No drivers, no hassle. From your car stereo to your favorite headphones, the JND adapter keeps the music flowing wherever you are. Upgrade your audio experience with a JND, where high fidelity sound meets everyday convenience.